This is a video about how to make a video. I have YouTube open and I have already signed into my Google YouTube account. To make a video, and of course I have the webcam connected, I click on the upload button and then choose the option to record webcam. I allow, of course, YouTube to access my webcam. I don't like to choose the remember option because I do want to be reminded each time I'm being asked to use the camera. And before I click the start recording button, I make sure that my background is good, my lighting's okay, and I'm going to give myself a few seconds of buffer before I click that, before I start talking. Hello class, this video is a video on how to make a video. Again, I've given myself a few seconds of buffer before I click that stop recording button. One more comment I want to make about this is the green bar indicates that the sound is being picked up by my webcam. I then click the upload button because I can finish the editing, including captions, inside YouTube. The upload is complete, and as the screen tells me, it's going to take a few seconds, maybe a couple of minutes before my video is ready for editing and captions. But while I'm on this initial page, I will fix a couple of things. Number one is a category. I do like to use education for my videos that I make for classes. The second thing is the privacy settings. The options that I choose here are either public or unlisted. Public is if I want the video to be seen by everyone and searchable and findable on YouTube. Unlisted is the choice that I make when I am recording a video that I think only students or participants in a particular class will be interested in. And then private is something I hardly ever do because when I choose private, I have to pick the individuals that I want to share the accounts with. The other thing I want to do again while I'm waiting for this is I can fix the tags if I want to, and I can change the title and the description. It's important that I save the changes here. I will refresh and see if it has finished uploading yet. I do want to use the Enhancements page and do some trimming. In this case, I had a few seconds of silence at the beginning, so I'll pick a beginning point and an end point. Again, I click the Save button here. And then the last thing I want to do is add captions. On the main video page, there is a button to add captions. YouTube's caption tool can be used in a couple of ways. One is if I have already recorded a transcript for my video, I can actually upload a plain text file, and YouTube will figure out the timing for my words. But I'm actually going to use the Transcribe and Sync file. And what I like about this is that I can type directly into this text box here. There's some neat keyboard controls here to make it easier for me to do that. When I finish the typing, I'll click the Sync button, and then I will again synchronize that transcript. So I will do that right now. After I finish typing my transcript, I can click the Sync button. Again, this says Sync is in process. I know the editing is still in process, but I can click on the video name to go back to the video launching page. On this page here, I can click on the Share a link. And there are two ways I can share. One is to grab the URL here and share this with my students or participants. The second is I can click on the embed link and I can grab this embed code. There are a couple of things that I like to check off. One is to turn off the switch to show suggested videos. And the second is in the SRC part of the code to add in the letters HTTPS and a colon because this will make it possible and easier for my students or participants to see this embedded video if the page that it is being viewed on is also delivered via HTTPS, which is internet security. So once again, I've made those changes. I can select that embed code, copy it, and now that embed code is ready to be pasted into my web page, whether it is an item or topic inside my learning management system or a web page elsewhere on the internet.